this week we're going to learn about determinants. So, thinking back in the memory banks, okay, everything that we have been doing is about solving system of equations, right? So what was the very first method? What was the very first method that we learned? No. But, which is actually row echelon form. That was the second method. And that was where we used REF or our REF. What did we do before that? Can you see? Sorry.
We wrote it out.
The one where
Yeah, we wrote it out, right? You basically solved it algebraically. Agreed? And that was where we either used substitution or elimination. Agreed? Okay, so this week we're going to be talking about Kramer's rule.
Yeah, they're really, my hips are so embarrassing because they're so low.
I think that's kind of cute. Okay, and then we'll do one more method after that. Okay, but today, or this week actually, we're going to do all week. We're going to work on Kramer's rule. And Kramer's rule uses determinants. Okay, so what's a determinant? A square array, meaning it's a square set of numbers, and it's enclosed by two solid bars. Okay, so this is where one of those key point things is. If I had, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it looked like this, and I had 1, 2, 3, 4, and it looked like this, are they the same thing? No, why?
Because when you do row echelon, isn't it in the brackets like that?
When it's like this, it's like you're a system, and when it's this, you're a determinant. And that's why they use the different brackets, so you can tell which is which kind of thing. All right? Make sense? Good so far? Okay, determinants. Calculated by finding the difference of the product of the two diagonals. Okay? You use the symbol D for determinant. Okay. What's it mean for product? What's product mean? The answer of what? What kind of problem? Multiplication, right? Product of the two diagonals. Okay, so here's my first diagonal. And so if I multiply it, it would be AD. Agreed? And it's the difference of the two diagonals. So here's my other diagonals. So that's where we get to our formula. So the determinant is equal to AD minus your BC. Everybody with me so far? Easy peasy? Okay, so I'm going to have -4 times 3, and I'm going to subtract that from 2 times -5. So I get -12 minus a negative 10. And so my determinant is going to end up being negative 2. Because the two negatives make the positive. Good. Easy peasy. All right, so let's do one more. What's my first diagonal going to be?
6 times 3.
6 times 3, perfect. And what's my second diagonal going to be? 4 times negative 1. And so what's my determinant? 18 plus 4, which is going to give me 22. Good so far? Easy peasy? All right. We're going to do a Kahoot real quick.